I did it. I picked up the DJI Flip, and honestly, no regrets. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest reasons why I bought it. If you're on the fence or wondering if the Flip is more than just a toy, stick around. The Flip is stacked with features, and it made me move on from my Mavic Pro. Let's start with reason number 1, and it's the best part. The ease of use. Unfolding the Flip is quick and simple. I'm up and flying in the air in as little as 16 seconds with no remote, or with the phone or the RC2 controller in under 38 seconds. I couldn't do that with my Mavic Pro. One of the great things is that it powers on automatically when you unfold it, and shuts down when you fold it back up. You can adjust that in the settings if you're not a fan. However, I find that small detail makes a big difference when you're trying to capture a quick shot or react fast to something happening around you. That's an A+. The Flip has readily available 6 pre-programmed flight modes. The modes are Follow, Droney, Circle, Rocket, Spotlight, Dolly Zoom. I find this a major advantage over my Mavic Pro. There are also 3 additional modes selectable in the sub-menu when using your phone, which are Direction Track, Helix, and Boomerang. In many cases of each of these modes, you can customize them further to get your shot. You can easily go out with just the drone and get creative cinematic shots, no bulky gear required. It's such a great feature to have. The second reason is it's ultra light. The Flip is only 249 grams, which means in many countries you don't even need a drone license. It folds up nicely, not having to worry about the propellers like I did my Mavic Pro. It fits in a small travel bag or even a hoodie pocket. It made a huge difference. I used it more often and never felt weighed down by gear compared to the Mavic Pro. Another big reason I like the Flip? Confidence. It's small, safe, sturdy, and I feel way more relaxed flying it. No need to worry, palm takeoffs and landings are easy. Real easy, trust me. In the past, I hated prop guards, but now it just gives me confidence and I'm not afraid to fly it closer to objects or in public. Reason number 4, price and value. For what this drone offers, the price is really solid. At the time of recording, the standard kit comes in at 609 Canadian and the Fly More combo at 1014 Canadian. If you go for the Fly More bundle, you get the upgraded RC2 remote, 3 batteries, a charging hub, and a compact carrying bag. It's a fantastic deal. And finally, reason number 5, the extras. You get 48 megapixel photos and crisp 4K video at 60 frames per second, or up to 100 frames per second if you want silky slow motion. Another one is battery life. The DJI Flip gives me 31 minutes per battery, which is great, especially when you compare that to the one-time favorite of mine, the DJI Neo. That thing had me swapping batteries faster than I could say, low power warning. The Flip lets me stay in the air longer and not rush to get my shots. Then there's the charging hub. It lets you charge multiple batteries from one outlet, and if you use the 65-watt DJI charger, you can power 2 batteries in about 70 minutes. It's just one more way that this drone keeps things efficient and travel-friendly. The DJI Flip isn't just a cute toy. It's packed with smart features and serious power in a tiny, rugged frame. So when I compare this to my other drones, it beats the Mavic Pro as I find it more fun to fly, doesn't feel like a super expensive piece of equipment that gives me anxiety to fly, and I can get up in the air in seconds, not minutes. When I compare it to the Neo, even though it had some good features, the Flip won me over with 4K quality, 31-minute battery life, 48 megapixel pictures, and it is slightly better in the wind. So yeah, for me the Flip is my number 1 drone choice. I love it. The Fly More combo is a heck of a package, and to me it's a no-brainer for all the stuff you get with it, and I recommend it heavily. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you grab one? I'll put the links in the description if you are interested, and if the breakdown helped, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more future gadget reviews.